គោបាត់ទើបធ្វើរបងដល់ថ្ងៃប្រឡង
ដល់ថ្ងៃប្រឡងគោមកវិញ
Okay, as you have watched the slogan, the Khmer slogan, it's the meaning is that you start to study hard when the exam day coming, you know. So you start to study hard when the exam day is coming. But in here, literally, it's just like go, but go is mean the car, but it's like lost, the lost car. So and then third bong. So you just start to make the fan when the car is already lost. Like you already lost the car and you start to make the fans. And and then you say đoថ្ងៃប្រឡង đoថ្ងៃប្រឡង is like the arriving date, like the exam day coming, the day is coming. ទើបខំរៀន so ទើបខំរៀន just start to study. Okay, you know what I mean? What is where it's going? So you just start to study hard when the exam day is coming. But in here we talk about the car and you lost the car and then you start making the fan. And then the kid just say, go một wing. Go một wing is just like you already making the fan, you has done the fan and then the car is come back. But the kid mean to say ទើបខំរៀន like just start to study hard.